Bowie is going for a doctor's checkup today. We'll find out what's in the doctor's kit and how the doctor will use these tools at your checkup. There's pretend doctor play.
I'm Dr. Bowie.
And a special patient to check. It's not just Disco Dog who gets to be a patient. You do too.
Can you stick your tongue out and say, ah?
Ah. Bowie gets his neck, eyes, peekaboo, and tummy checked. There's a special tool that checks 2 parts of your body. First, we learn about your heart and listen to it beating.
Ba-boom, ba-boom, ba-boom.
Dr. Bowie does a great job. Then we check his lungs. And your lungs too.
Breathe in and out.
Good work! There's lots to learn about going to the doctors and how to stay happy and healthy. Watch the full episode exclusively on our Patreon.